गोंय शालांत मंडळान 10वेचो निकाल जाहीर केलो। या वर्सा 92.38% निकाल लागलो। 18,914 विद्यार्थ्यांनी परीक्षा दिली। तातूंतले 17,473 विद्यार्थी पास जाले। वर्स पद्धती प्रमाण ह्या वर्सा चलयांनीच बाजी मारल्या, जाल्यार 6,727 विद्यार्थ्यांक खेळा गुणांचो लाव मेळ्ळो।
वर्स पद्धती प्रमाण ह्या वर्सा चेडवांनीच बाजी मारली। चेड्यांचो निकाल 91.80% जाल्यार चेडवांचो निकाल 92.93% लागलो। 124 स्कुलांचो निकाल 100% लागलो। हातून 2 स्पेशल स्कुलांचोय आस्पाव आसा। तशेंच 6,727 विद्यार्थ्यांक खेळा गुणांचो लाव मेळ्ळो। मात 263 विद्यार्थी खेळा गुणांक लागून पास जाले।
Coming to this 24 examination, appeared 18,914 and passed 17,473, giving the result as 92.38%. 400 schools have sponsored their candidates for this examination, of which 319 are the aided schools, unaided 11 and government 78. 19,557 they have registered for this examination, and there were 24 withdrawals on various reasons. You can see this result gender wise. Boys 9,318, passed 8,555, reserved 38, and the result is 91.80. Girls 9,596 appeared, 8,918 passed, 59 reserved, and 92.93% is the result. So out of 18,914 from the regular category, 17,473 they have passed, and the result is 92.38. Now why we have kept this result as reserve? Because of non-submission of their internal assessment scheme despite the repeated calls, or maybe the grades also they did not submit. There are major one or two schools, and others here and there. This is the result of special schools. There are 4 special schools in the state of Goa. One Sanjay Center for Special Education, Polvorin. 31 candidates were sponsored. All passed. Our result is 100%. St. Xavier's Academy, Old Goa. 23 candidates out of 23. All 23 have passed. 100% result. Lok Vishwas Pratishthan's Virani Sunny High School for hearing impaired children. They have sponsored 4, out of which 2 have passed. The result is 50%. And again, once again, Lok Vishwas Pratishthan's IJ Virani and NI Virani School and Home for Visually Impaired Children, Dhavri Fonda. Out of 5, 3 have passed. Result is 60%. Taluka-wise enrollment of candidates and the result. You can see these talukas. Bardes 54 aided schools. Aided schools means they have been given the grant in aided schools. Unaided, there is no grant from the government. They are running by their own. And government schools is G. So we have got 78 government schools, 11 unaided schools, and 319 aided schools. Altogether it is 408. So in the Bardes Taluka, the enrollment is 3,321 and passed it is 3,027. So result is 91.15.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.